Hello everyone, this is Jim Okrasinski with your weekly Screencast video. So as we move through the course, we are arriving in week 4. We're about halfway through. One thing I do want to point out for this week is there is only one discussion board post, which is the discussion board 7, the triad. The reduction in discussion board activity for this week is to allow you some extra time and devote that extra time to the annotated bibliography. Excuse me, which will be due on July 9th, the beginning of week 5, and then we move on toward the essay writing portion of the course as we begin to wind down. So I want to point out this week's module. If you take a look on week 4, I provide a link to the Purdue OWL. I'm not sure who might be familiar with the Purdue OWL, but it is a wonderful resource, obviously created and run by Purdue University. Many students and educators have been using the Purdue OWL for quite a while for guides, exercises, and information. They do have an MLA guide you might want to consider diving into. Gives you all the information as far as formatting basics, creating citations, how to format a works cited page, all the information that you need to be successful in writing the research essay and even forming citations for the annotated bibliography. Also, I want to point out that Curious Researcher does have an MLA section in the back of the book and provides you some important information on how to form citations. For example, like the interview, how do you go about formatting a citation for a personal interview? Is there any ideas that you need to format a video citation? All of that works in the Purdue OWL and the Curious Researcher. All right, so that being said, if you have any questions or issues about the annotated bibliography or where we're moving or the discussion boards, please send me an email. Good luck.